Well, today we're preparing the President's Choice plant-based chickpea and sweet potato veggie burgers. Now, these come prepared and frozen, so they're perfect to use with my favorite little cooking appliance, the Ninja Foodi. Look, it's 30 degrees outdoors Celsius, and I don't want to take a lot of time making dinner. So as long as the product is healthy, cooking from frozen can really simplify things, right? It can make it easier for us to make sure we're getting the nutrition we need. Okay, on to preparing those chickpea and sweet potato veggie burgers. Just watch how simple this is. Look, these tasty burgers are loaded with great ingredients. And although they are processed food, I only see a couple of things that I wouldn't be adding if I was making them from scratch. And that includes the modified cellulose and the citric acid. Now, my research indicates that both of these items are acceptable. The Ninja Foodi cooks faster than a conventional oven, so we have to use different times and temperatures than what the product suggests. So a good starting point when you are converting from a conventional oven to the Ninja Foodi is to lower the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit and shorten the cooking time by around 20%. Now in this case, the suggested time and temperature for a conventional oven is 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes. My calculations show the conversion to be 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Oh, and turning them over at the halfway mark. Oh, and remember, of course, to add a 5-minute warm-up time before starting to cook. Well, here they are right out of the box. This is what they look like at about the halfway mark of cooking. And here they are, fully heated. They're all ready to serve with your favorite side dishes and enjoy. Well, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment or drop me a message. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then, hit that bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.